Well, I'm sure you can swim better than they can.
Do you really mean it? And what else?
Well, all you have to remember is what's inside that counts, and not what you look like.
What's marmalade?
Well, it's sort of an orange preserve, often found on toast.
No, what's marmalade?
Oh my God! Ida, listen very carefully, me love. Step towards me, very slow-like. No sudden moves.
What are you barking about?
There's something behind you, Ida. Something not very nice.
That's your son, dear. Your son.
Oh! Created a monster!
Don't be ridiculous. He's just not your run-of-the-mill hunt-up, that's all.
That's all. Ida, I have a reputation.
Yes, and I wouldn't go bragging about it if I were you.
I'm scared.
I'm telling you, he's a turkey.
He's not a turkey. He loves the water.
Cranberry sauce!
See? He didn't even flinch. Now, come along, children. It's time to get spruced up and meet the rest of the deck, to be educated in the ways of the world. Drake, don't stare at him.
Look at him.
Now then, children, let's not make a fuss.
Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family likeness isn't strong, still you won't hold on. All of you must get on. Here
but there's so much more.